Disturbing news coming in. Terrorists have again tried to target. It was a newly established army camp in a far-flung village in Rajouri. So again, Jammu region. At about 3:30 a.m., a group of terrorists fired at the newly established army camp at the Ganda village in Budhal area. This is in Rajouri. Now, important to mention here, remember this is 3:30 a.m. The alert army personnel retaliated and thwarted a possible major terror attack. There was a brief encounter. Sadly, terrorists have managed to flee into the forest and hilly terrain. A search operation is presently on this. So that's the big news coming in. Remember that at least for now, the alert personnel on duty were able to thwart the terror attack, even though the army personnel has sustained serious injuries, has been shifted to a hospital. But at least he ensured that these terrorists do not venture further into the areas. This is a reminder of how these terrorists, watching the sort of peace and prosperity now returning to the Kashmir Valley, they are frustrated and they are opting now for Jammu region. The government will need to immediately find some solution or some response to this, because remember, this is the Jammu region they are targeting now. They want to create further disturbance in the region that's been relatively peaceful, because now there's tightened security in Kashmir, crackdown in Kashmir on terror ecosystem. They want to focus on Jammu. Sunil G. Bhatt is tracking the latest. Sunil, what happened precisely? Tell us about the location and what about the army personnel, because it looks like he would be the sentry who tried to stop these terrorists from barging further inside.
Well, Pooja, at about 3:30 a.m. in the night, a group of terrorists, our sources are telling us 2 to 3 terrorists were there, and they attacked an army camp which was recently established in the area. This is the far-flung area of Budhal in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir. 2 to 3 terrorists attacked this army camp, but the alert army personnel retaliated strongly. And these terrorists who were planning to carry out a major attack in this area, their evil plans were foiled. And now we are learning from our sources that the actual plan of the terrorists was to attack this entire village. Because in this village, a house of Purushottam Kumar, who is a member of a village defense group, is located. And recently, Pooja, Purushottam Kumar was awarded with Shaurya Chakra recently. And somehow, terrorists wanted to carry out a major attack in this village. But since this army camp was recently established in this particular area, and the army camp is located right at the entrance of the village. So the moment terrorists tried to barge inside this village and the army camp, the alert army personnel, retaliated strongly, and they repulsed this particular attack, and the evil plan of the terrorists was foiled. But there was a gunfight that broke out for 5 to 10 minutes initially. After that, there was no gunfight, and terrorists seemed to have fled. But a major search operation was launched by the security forces. Additional troops also rushed to the spot, and even as we speak, a massive search operation is on across the length and breadth of Rajouri district, particularly in the Budhal area where this village is located.
Sunil, keep us updated on this, and here's praying and hopeful that this army personnel will recover very, very soon.